maybe one day DJI will give us that option of having the scuba diver button or not. Hey, I'm Fish. How do you like my light? Well, I have to say it because if I don't say it, people think, why did my camera screen just go blank? Did I set something up wrong? Oh man, I gotta go correct this out. It was funny, like my first shot, again it just went blank, both sides out. And I didn't set anything up. Maybe I hit something when I changed. Well, that's a good thing. Immediate out. Found the problem. When I went to hit the format, I accidentally hit the screen on while recording to 3 seconds to shut off. Not what I like. I like to see my screen on. I like to see, as I'm vlogging, who's behind me, who's in front of me, all that good stuff. We were talking about if DJI can make two cameras, one with the softer on and off and shutter button for the scuba divers, and a harder button for us. The opposite way, of course, you know. Well, anyway, you kind of get the idea. Sometimes the button for some people, they don't notice it, and others, it's a little difficult. Well, the days we used to complain with GoPro, the button's too soft, it don't work. They haven't gone to the hard way. So I've been thinking lately, 1/14, 1/16 scale RC, man. MJX and HyperGo. Even Bizgar and DRC. They all make 1/14 and 1/16. 42 miles per hour ones. Yeah, let me tell you, that's what's on my mind lately. And I've been doing a lot of research. The HyperGo 16HB. They make a 14th and 16th scale, and MJX 14-210. They make a 2.9, which is a drifter model as well. And Bizgar resembles both of them in a way, but the only way I could tell is have some fun, make some orders, and get my hobby back in order. Video after video after video. I don't see that many people with that car. I see maybe 3 or 4 people doing talks about it, and that's about it. I love the hobby RC, the scales and all, and I love building them, man, from scratch with the instruction guide. You grab the Phillips screwdriver, a hex driver, and screw it down step by step. Sat on the bed all night long to 2 in the morning. I built that bad boy. The next day I was out having fun. We didn't have video cameras back then. We just had, pencils and paper. Oh yeah, we had cameras back then, but they're expensive. And yeah, having one of these RC cars was still very expensive. I have a couple of places today I could go online, order it, and wait for it. But over here I don't have any place whatsoever to go out, go have fun, and enjoy a couple of jumps. I can't find a spot, but I'm near a fence, I'm near this, near that. I don't have a construction area anymore. It's really not much. Just go out the door, back and forth. I'm in a city street. I can make a ramp, I can make a jump and do this and that and make a spot. Yes, indeed. But the thing is, try to go find a part, this and that. Yeah, sometimes it could be very expensive. Just get a new one, use it as a spare one, and so forth. Well, I talked about cameras, I talked about the RC hobby. I'm going to talk a little bit about editing. And let me tell you, it is no fun for me to edit, especially with a number of programs that I try, this and that. I'm using CapCut a little bit. Oh man, I like the way I put the things in so I can skip. I try to do my other one. It don't have that precise spot of the skipping part. And I'm just doing nothing at all, anything special. But a program that edits does a good job making it a little bit easier. Things are very difficult today in life. On that note, I'm Fish. I said a lot, I did a lot. I did talk a lot. Well, it's time to go take care of the business and go do some things and share some things. I hope you enjoyed the talk. I hope you had a good time. And I catch you on many other videos to come.